Hello, my students. How are you? Today we'll solve cumulative assessment number 8 from معاصر book. Pay attention with me about this question. About this question, talk about the function and also represent it, and also the intervals. You can find the solution about inequality and the equation. First question, look at with me. Which of the following equation is the first degree? Okay, first degree here in the variable we have x power 1. You must choose x power 1. Where? Look at here. X plus 2 is the first because we have x power 2. This is the following here, but the first degree equation will be letter B. You must choose here letter B. Okay, first question. The first degree, it will be what? X plus 2 equal 9. Next question down. Number 2, the solution set of the inequality here. We want to solve this inequality negative 2x greater than or equal to 6. We can solve the inequality how? By divided by negative 2 first. First step, I will divide it by negative 2. When you divide it by negative 2, you must change direction about the inequality. The negative 2 is divided by negative 2, it will be x. And 6 divided by negative 2 will be negative 3. Then x less than or equal to negative 3. You can tell me the answer in number line. If you draw number line like this, it starts from here. We have negative 3 to and negative infinity to negative 3. Then it will be closed here because we have equal to. Then the interval it will be from negative infinity to negative 3 closed, not opened. Here, choose letter A. Solution set will be letter A about this function. Okay. Next question down here. Number 3. Yes, number 3. The solution set of the inequality x plus 3 less than 3 in R equal. We can solve this inequality first step by move the 3 here from left hand side to right hand side to change the sign. Then x less than 3 subtract by 3. Then x less than 0. Okay. Who can tell me less than here, 0 here? It will be the negative intervals from negative infinity to 0 opened. Okay. It will be R negative. Look at here. From negative infinity to 0. 0 here will be opened like this. Then we have negative infinity to 0 opened. It will be R negative. Next question number 4. The intervals from negative 1 to 3. Negative 1 closed like here and 3 was opened. Then solution set negative 1. Where is solution here? So you must solve inequality here to find the answer. Where is solution here from negative 1 to 3? You can solve each one of them. If you found the answer like this, you must choose it. Okay, I will solve each one. But if here, number 1, okay, and I will solve this. First step, I will add 2, negative 2 to left hand side, right hand side to change to cancel number 2. Understood? Now I will solve each one of them to find the solution set and choose it. Okay. First inequality here, we can add negative 2 all terms here. We have, look at here, negative 4. I will cancel 2 here by add negative 2. Okay. Right. Negative 2 less than 2 minus 2 minus 2x less than or equal to 4 minus 2. You can cancel this and then less than negative 4 minus 2, it will be negative 6. And we have here negative 2x less than or equal to 4 minus 2 equal to. Next step, we must divide it by negative 2. Then you must change the direction here. Then x and negative 6 divided negative 2 equal 3. 2 divided by 2 equal negative 1. And the solution will be negative 1 closed and 3 open. So the solution here will be letter A. If you straight line draw it and write the solution from negative 1 to 3, negative 1 was closed and 3 was opened. Then is the solution from negative 1 closed to 3 opened. You must choose letter A. Letter A is the solution about this question. Next question down. Number 5. If f of x equals 7 is a constant function, okay? Then the image about f of 7, it will be 7. If we put here 7, the image will be 7. And if we put 0 here, the result will be also 7. This is a constant function. Then 7 over 7 equal 1. Next question. If x equal 1, 3, 5, and R relation is the function. This is the function. Okay, we have 1 and 3 and 5. Then we have here 1 and 5 and 3. Or we can write here 3, 5, and 1. Understood? Then the value of A and B's summation of them or the difference, you won't find A minus B. We have two solutions, or 5 and 3, or 3 and 5. Then A minus B will be 3 minus 5, or also equal 5 minus 3. So we have two solutions because the value of A may be equal 3 or 5. When A equals 3, the value of B equal 5. When A equal 5, the value of B equal 3. Then we have two solutions about this equation. Okay, A minus B equal 3 minus 5, it will be negative 2, and 5 minus 3 equal 2. Then we have positive or negative 2. Two solutions about this relation, okay, about the expression. Find solution set of this equation in real numbers. Number 2, I will down here solve, okay? I will solve it down here. First step, you must product 2 to left hand side, right hand side, or you can move 3 to left hand side to change it by put the negative sign of 3. Look at here, we have 2 product by square root of 2 product by x subtract by 2 plus 3 is 7. First step, I will move 3 here from left hand side to right hand side and cancel. Then 2 product by the sum or the difference between two terms is root 2x minus 2 equals 7 minus 3 equal 4. Next step, I will divide it by coefficient of brackets here divided by 2 and here divided by 2 to cancel the coefficient here. Next step, we have root 2 of x subtract by 2 equal 4 over 2. 4 divided by 2 equal 2. Okay, then the result will be 2. Next step, I will move negative 2 here to change the sign. Then root 2x will be equal 2 plus 2 equal 4. Next step, we must cancel root 2 by divided by 8. Root 2 times what equal 4? You must divide it by root 2 to find the answer here. If we divide it by 2, then the value of x here equivalent to 4 over 2. This belonging to a rational number, you must cancel root 2 down by product numerator and numerator by root 2 to cancel the square root of 2 down. Because the denominator must be belonging to rational numbers, then the value of x equal 4 root 2 over 2. Then the value of x equal 4 over 2 equal 2, then the result will be 2 root 2. This is the value of x. It's belonging to real numbers. This number belonging to real numbers. Then the solution set will be equal to product by root 2. Okay, this solution about this question. Okay, understood? Next question down here, find the solution set of the following inequality in R. First inequality here, number 1, I will solve here. Okay, this is number 1 here. Okay, number 1. Listen to me, my students. I will solve number 1 here. Okay, we have 7 of less than 2x plus 1 greater than or equal to negative 3. First step, I will cancel negative 1 against 1 here by add negative 1 to 3 terms. You must change the sign here. First step, minus 1 is greater than 2x plus 1 minus 1 greater than equal to negative 3 minus 1. 7 minus 1 equals 6. Then 6 is greater than 2x and 1 minus 1, it will be 0 greater than equal to negative 3 minus 1, it will be negative 4. Next step, we can divide it by 2. 6 divided by 2, it will be 3. And 2x divided by 2 equals x. Negative 4 divided by 2, it will be negative 2. Then the solution set, we can draw a number line here to represent the equality from negative 2 to 3. Negative 2 was closed and 3 was opened. This is the solution here. Then I will raise the intervals here. The intervals closed from negative 2, solution set here. Solution set will be, look at here, closed from negative 2 to 3 will be opened. Will be here negative 2 to 3 opened. Okay, this is the solution set. Next question here. I will solve question number 2 also here in this place. Look at with me about the steps to find the answer. First step here, you must cancel 3 by add negative 3 to 3 terms, okay, or 3 expressions from left hand side, right hand side, and the middle. First step, but look at exactly, we have x here. You must first step cancel x. Look at here, we have x and x. You must add negative x in the first step to cancel it from 3 terms or 3 expressions. First step, we have x minus 1. I will put here negative x less than 3 minus x, put negative x. So I will add negative x for 3 expressions, left hand side, right hand side, and the middle. Who I to cancel x first? Complete with me, less than equal to x plus 5 minus x. Next step, we can cancel x minus x equals 0, since the remainder will be negative 1, less than 3 subtract by negative x, and negative x will be negative 2x, less than or equal to x, and negative x cancels, the result will be 5. Next step, you must cancel 3 here by 8 positive 3 or negative 8, negative 3 to 3 expression to cancel this. Then negative 1 minus 3. Okay, I will cancel 3 here by 8, negative 3, 1 third first. So 3 expressions here in this inequality. Okay, less than 3 minus 2x subtract by 3 less than or equal to 5 minus 3. Next step, negative 3 minus 3, it will be negative 4 less than 3, and negative 3 equals 0. Then we have negative 2x less than or equal to 5 minus 3 equal to. Next step, you must divide by coefficient of x. If you divide it by negative, you must replace directions about the inequality. First step here, divided by negative 2, you must change directions about inequality here. Negative 4 divided by negative 2 equal 2, and negative 2x divided by negative 2 equal x, and 2 divided by negative 2, it will be 1. Now I will draw number line here and write here negative 1 to 2, negative 1 was closed, and 2 will be opened. The solution set will be from negative 1 to 2. Okay, next question, number 3. If C over this expression equal B over this expression equal E over expression, we want to prove that 4B plus C over 17 equal left hand side, right hand side, left hand side. How we solve this? Look at here, 4B. Then the first step, product the second proportional by 2, by 4. Okay, right here, product the second proportional by 4. Proportional by what? By 4. Then 8. Next step, we can add first proportional with the two terms about first and second. Then add the first and second proportional. Okay, proportional. Next step, look at here. I will draw 4 product by B. First step, 4 times B. Look at here, 4 times B. This expression, product 4 and down. Look at here, 4 B and down 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, understood? Product up and down by 4 because you want 4B. 4 times B, 4B, 3 times 4 is 12. Subtracted by 4 times x, it will be 4x. And second proportional. Raise the steps. 4B will be, we will write product the second term, product by what? The second term, product by 4. Then 8, we have C, it's the first. Then 8, the first, and the second proportional. Numerator by numerator, numerator and numerator. The first and second, up and down, about antecedent and consequent. Antecedent and consequent together. And 8 antecedents and consequent by consequent. Then we can raise the relation here down. Listen to me. We have 4 product by 4 the second. Then it will be 4 up and down. 4b and down 3 times 4 equal to 12 minus 4x. Then 8, next step, and 8 the first and the second. Okay, 8 the first and second. First here C, and we have down 4x plus 5y. Next step, you can simplest. Right, 4p plus c up and down, you can cancel together, and we have 12y. This 12y, because we product by 4, 4 times 3, it will be 12, and 4 times x, 4x. 12y plus 5y is 17y. It's equal each one of the ratio. Equal one of the ratio. This relation number 1. And what about relation number 2? Look at here, he won't write e plus 2b. E here plus 2p. Then we must product up and down about second by 2. Right, the second term, right, the second term product by, we can here product by 4 by 4. Okay, and the second term here we product by 2 over 2. You can product the second term by 2 over 2. Then 8 what? Who can tell me? 8 second and the third proportional, numerator by numerator and numerator by denominator. Then 8 the second and the first, second and the third. Is the second and the third proportional. Together. Consequent by consequent, or we third proportional, consequent by consequent, and antecedent by antecedent. Antecedent by its by antecedent and consequence by other consequence by consequent. Okay, antecedent by antecedent and consequent by consequent. You can raise the steps with me. Look at here, 2 times b. We want 2b, right? 2b here, and a first, write a plus 2b. Okay, a plus 2b, and down 2x plus y here plus 2 times 3 equals 6, 6y. Okay, and 2 times negative x, it will be negative 2x. Right, a plus 2b, and down negative 2x plus 2x is 0, and y plus 6y, it will be 7y. This equal 1 over the ratio. Relation number 2. We have relation number 1 and relation number 2. They are equivalent. Left hand side equal left hand side, and right hand side equal right hand side. Then you can write here relation 1 and 2. It will be equivalent. Then 4p plus c over 17. It will be equal a plus 2p over 7y. 6y, and we have here 7y. We have also here 17y. 17y here. And here we have 7y. You can divide it by y to simplest. Then if we divide it by y, then the relation will be here. By divided by y, because y is a number, not equivalent. Then is the idea about solution. First step, you must think how can find the fractions here. 4p plus c, how we can find it? By product up and down. About this. Look at here, 4p plus c. First proportion, second proportional, product 4 and down. And then 8 numerator by numerator and numerator by numerator about second and third proportional. Is the first idea. And second idea, look at with me about this. A plus 2b. A here and 2b. Then we must product the second proportional up and down, numerator and numerator by 2. And then 8 numerator by numerator and numerator by numerator to find the simplest answer. Okay? You must think how found the relation about properties of proportional. You know, the product numerator and numerator by the same number, the ratio will be equivalent, not a change. Okay? And then if we add numerator by numerator and numerator by numerator about first and second proportional, it will be equivalent. Understood? Okay, then relation number 1 equivalent to relation number 2. Okay, goodbye, my students. I will complete next time, inshallah. New lesson. Goodbye.